Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you are new at the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching daily amazing videos to get knowledge about the law. Buckle up, because what you're about to see will blow your mind. A Florida state attorney, yes, the top legal official in her county, gets pulled over by police who clearly have no idea who they've stopped. The tension, real. The irony, off the charts. But here's the twist. The reason they give. For pulling her over? It doesn't even make sense under Florida law. Stay locked in, because we're breaking down every smirk, every excuse, and every second of this jaw-dropping encounter that turned into national news.
You're good. What agency are you with?
I'm the state attorney.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Your tag didn't come back. Never seen that before. I'm sorry? Yeah. We're good now.
So it was...
We ran the tag. I've never seen it before. A Florida tag. It's never come back to anything before. So that's the reason for the stop.
What was the tag run for?
I'm sorry?
What was the tag run for?
Oh, we run tags all the time, whether it's at traffic lights and that sort of stuff. That's how we figure out if, cars are stolen and that sort of thing. Also, the windows were really dark. I don't have a tint measurer, but...
Now pause right here. Let's unpack what just happened. The officer admits he ran her tag just because, which sounds routine, right? But under Florida Statute 316-1939, random tag checks must serve a lawful purpose, not just curiosity. What's worse, he immediately pivots to her window tint as another excuse. That's what's known as a pretextual stop, using a minor or fabricated reason to justify pulling someone over. And when the officer realizes he's stopped the state attorney, notice how fast his tone changes. That's the power dynamic shift in full effect. Question for you. If she wasn't a prosecutor, would this stop have gone the same way? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
What was the tag run for?
I'm sorry?
What was the tag run for?
Oh, we run tags all the time, whether it's at traffic lights and that sort of stuff. That's how we figure out if, cars are stolen and that sort of thing. Also, the windows were really dark. I don't have a tint measurer, but that's another reason for the stop.
All right. Do you guys have cards on you?
Yeah, one second. Actually, this isn't my car, but I can write my name down if you'd like. What's your employee number? 157. Ready. There you are. Have a good day.
What we just watched wasn't just a traffic stop. It was a masterclass in how authority, race, and the law collide on America's roads. State Attorney Aramis Ayala turned a potentially dangerous encounter into a national conversation on accountability. The stop might have been lawful, but it exposed deeper issues about bias and policing culture. She handled it with calm professionalism and a quiet power that spoke louder than any argument. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam breakdowns just like this one. You won't want to miss what's coming next.